functions on a certain pH. Do you know that, right? Contrary to what you believe, di ba? Kadunggan niyo sa mga health people, that your body should be alkaline, not acidic. You should buy my water because it's alkaline. Kadunggan mo na, wala pa? Yes. Contrary to popular belief, the body cannot lean towards acidic or alkaline, regardless kung sa'yo ginaingon nila sa kuwan. The body, as much as possible, should be balanced. Should have a pH that is balanced. So usually around 7, 6.9 to 7.2. Di hawa din na dapat ang pH sa body. If you go toward, if it goes higher than 7.2 sa may metabo, that condition is called alkalosis. If it goes down, it goes down 6.9, that is acidosis. Okay? Pero Doc, how does the body balance it? Okay? So the body has actually 3 types of mechanism. Nanahupan sa niloading si Doc. So it has 3 types of mechanisms that control the pH of the body. First is you have your blood buffer system. Ano ang blood buffer daw? The blood buffer system has hydroxy ions for alkaline and free hydrogen ions. So free hydroxy ions and free hydrogen ions, so that any sudden deviation in the body results in those free ions correcting any sudden deviation of pH. Magpaka na si Binoso kay naabot. Okay? So, those things ensure that in the level of the blood, any sudden change in pH, your blood is able to react accordingly to any changes in pH, sudden changes in pH. But the problem with the blood buffer system, its effects to counter any sudden shift in pH is only very small. Meaning, it only relies on a few hydrogen and hydroxy. By the way, hydroxy is the free ion for alkalosis. So, ang alkaline environment has an hydroxy ion. Right? Kabaw na ba sa chemistry? Wala ba? Kamu? Wala saan? Dili? Kabaw naman na sa chemistry, hydroxy ion. Okay, so, common acid that we know is muriatic acid, right? Hydrochloric acid, that's HCl. Okay? In order for the chlorine to become acid, acidic, it has to have a hydrogen ion. Okay? So, what's may pasabot sa pH? What's may pasabot sa word pH? That's called potential hydrogen. So it's just referring to the amount of hydrogen on the compound. So, can you see HCl, in order for the HCl to become acidic, it needs to have a hydrogen ion. A common base that you know, or alkaline that you know, is NaOH, right? Or your sodium bicarbonate, right? The bicarbonate, in order to become a bicarbonate, the sodium ion needs to be attached to a hydroxy group. Okay? So, what is siya ang attachment niya? Hydroxy group. So, what happens is, in the blood, you have your hydrogen ions, and you have also your carbonate ion or your hydroxy group. So what happens if there's a sudden shift in your, for example, your hydrogen ion or your blood suddenly became alkalotic? Sabi mo sa mga alkalotic daw. Meaning, there are more OH. There's a sudden influx of OH ion in your blood, right? So what happens is, in the blood, you have this free hydrogen ion. So any water. Okay? So what are the effects of the limitations of the blood buffer system is that it's only limited to the amount of free hydroxy and hydrogen ions in your body. So once really mahurot na siya, ma-outmatch siya sa amount of OH, kuan siya, mahita mo the blood buffer system already ceases to function. Okay? So it's only intended to be a sudden but small response to a deviation in the pH. Okay? Then what if daw ang daghan sa hydrogen? Hindi natin ba hydrogen? Ano? What's that hydrogen? Ano much? Okay. So hydrogen, ang budaghan, there's a sudden, you become acidotic or acidosis ka, so it will bind to the free OH for the water. Okay? Kira sa mga mo? Aside from water, what is the byproduct of acid reacting to base? So, what is the reaction? Water and salt. Salt. Okay, salt. Okay, that's how you make your table salt. If hydrogen chloride will react with your sodium bicarbonate. Diba? One part becomes water, the other becomes sodium chloride. Okay, so wala mo na yung ano, sige lang, inorganic chem? Asa ba? Okay. Guys, importante kailangan that principle only falls. Kaya lang yung basic lang na siya ng principle. Okay? You don't have to be a master of chemistry, balance, reduct reaction. You just need to know the relationship of those things. Okay? So, aside that, you also have your, aside from the blood buffer system, you also have something called the respiratory system na correction, or what they call it the respiratory naman ito. Okay? So question, how does the respiratory system balance the pH? But before we go to that, discuss karon, we'll be discussing the metabolic system. The metabolic system, students, is you have metabolic alkalosis. You also have your metabolic acidosis. Okay? Ako na ng padagan, ha? So, for the metabolic canal system, it relies on the organ called the kidney. Okay? Kidney. Yung kidney, di ba? We always know that the kidney is considered the chemist of your body, right? Okay. Chemist of your body. So, if there is something wrong sa yung pH, example, isa may lain na sa dangan. Hagrid kay mag-acidosis, si Baku. Si Hagrid nag-acidosis. So, kung acidosis, ang blood ni Hagrid agad, hydrogen, right? Hydrogen. Now, gusto mo ibuatan sa kidney if taas ang hydrogen. Your kidney is unique because it can actually control the production of sodium hydroxide. Your kidney produces sodium hydroxide. Okay? So if you're becoming acidosis, your kidneys will create sodium hydroxide in order to neutralize the spared hydrogen ions. Okay? What if si Bakusan, alkalotic si Hagrid? Sabi buhatan sa kidney. Produce siya ng HCl, hindi? Hindi. Kaya hindi naman produce ang kidney ng HCl. Why do you think so? Because the only organ that can create HCl is stomach. Imong stomach. So, sabi buhatan ng kidney, he will get all those abnormal hydroxy ions and he will put it sa stomach. At so, mag-react ang hydroxy ions. That is why, students, if you have intractable bonding, kung saan ka magsige ka suka for no apparent reason, intractable ka, hindi man track. What happens is the animal will become alkalotic. healthy. Okay? Mauna guys, di ka mamatay sa pagbo kung nagigit-igit ka. Usually, mamatayan sa pagbo tungkol kay magsigig suka. Okay? Ang problem naman, if the pH changes, abaw mo sa may tabo, gas exchange also changes. Will change ang gas exchange. And secondly, it can also abnormalize potassium levels. Okay? Depende sa situation. That is why it's important the kidney maintains, the metabolic system maintains the pH. Okay? The metabolic system is known to be a very long-acting, meaning dugay siya mo start of effect. It's a long-acting but a sustainable response to any abnormal pH levels. Don't worry, we'll discuss more of this when we reach the kidney. Okay? So, any questions? Wala sa kuhan? So, say what sa kidney in an abnormal kuhan? Abnormal pH. Kung alkalotic, what does the kidney does? He takes all the hydroxyl ions and put it in the stomach. Secondly, it will also decrease the production of sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate. Okay? Though, what if acidic? Balisan. If it is acidic, ito may gawa sa kidney. Produce a large quantities of bicarbonate. Unfortunately, students, this reaction takes days. Takes days. Pinaka-adlaw siya the reaction. But once the reaction starts, it will create enough sodium bicarbonate to normalize your pH. That is why, students, you really need a kidney. Okay? Kung ha, kung naiba kong iPhone gawas, ayaw ito, nibaligya yung kidney ha. Kaya kinahanglan na ninyo. Okay? Diba? God is so smart, He give you 2 kidneys instead of 1. Diba? So, wala. Again, ayaw baligya yung kidney ha. Okay? Sao na lang. Sana gano'n kung luha sa itong card. Immortal na siguro ta. Okay. So, any questions so far sa metabolic system? Now, let us discuss the respiratory part. Or how does the respiratory system deal with deviations in pH? Okay? So, for optimal functioning of the cells, the ionic concentration of the body fluid is maintained in a fairly narrow limit. Okay? It needs to be narrow. Ayaw mong tuuan ang ginaingon nila na inuulan sa lain. Nasakit ka pa rin, mabansan ka pa rin, acidic kayong lawas. Okay? Ayaw mong kuha na the body needs to maintain. Too much of a good thing is bad in the body. Okay? Same goes with mga ions. Okay, so concentration is extremely important because it determines the acidity or the pH of the body. Serious deviations in pH outside the normal range disrupt cell metabolism and therefore body function. For example, the activity of the sodium-potassium pump. Sounds familiar? Sodium-potassium pump required for what? Required for what? Required for action potential generation, right? Decreases by half when pH falls by 1 unit. Imagine lang if imong pH 7 and imong 6, all the cells that require the sodium-potassium pump in order to function will decrease in function. Okay? So meaning, sama may tamo ni mo, mamatay ka, your muscle ceases to function. Kaya basig nakalimot mo, in yung heart is actually a muscle. So, they mo pitik imong heart. I guess, patay siguro ang animal. Hindi mo ken, patay? Patay. Of course, ha? Then, napayaraw. Kalanaw sa jeep, you mentioned this to make you look smart. Half an unit and the activity of phosphofructokinase. Diba? Yeah. Kaya it was a jeep phosphofructokinase. Okay. Kaya nung tumo one time, nagkuhan sila, medtech pa, nagkuhan sila o tawag nag-review sila ang slides. Sabi na, mag-visualize ko sila o malaria. Ingon siya, insist siya na ang malaria ay excuse me, ma'am, really hemophilia dapat dyan sa yung naging gift, you're dealing with malaria parasites. So, para ko di ba? Kung ano itong treatment? Di ba? But anyway, ilahasan ka. May experience to yan sa pil, mag-listen to spill. Wait ka mo ha, mag-smear mo, mag-practice mo, use the resources that you have. Smearing is very important. Unfortunately, it's also what you call a perishable seed. Once nakikita mo si buhat ka na, mawala siya. Ha? Okay? Di ba si smear? Don't worry, you will find that all competent, very hidden base of it. Okay? Sa akong experience sa una, every time slides akong buhaton, makakita ko kung saan ka base of it. 10 and if come. Okay? Dahil lagi na, promise. Okay? Kita na yan niyo. So, fructokinase decreases by 90 when pH decreases by only 0.1. Okay? So, one ang very important ang pH. Okay? The chemical potential of hydrogen is known as the acidity and expressed in pH. pH is negative logarithm for hydrogen concentration. Water with 1, or so normal pH is 7, right? So, an acid can donate a hydrogen ion and a base can accept hydrogen ions. Hydrochloric acid is strong because it deassociates in water into hydrogen and chloride. Chloride ions is a base because it has the potential to accept an hydrogen. But so it's just going back about we discussed that hydrogen and hydroxide. So the only way your respiratory system can regulate the pH levels, it's called respiratory alkalosis and respiratory tuberculosis. Huwag ka na nang balik ito, basta hindi ako pinakali, di ba? So, what? Tawag aning ka na sa ganito, I was there. Okay, respiratory alkalosis. So in the respiratory alkalosis students, the only way the body can regulate, the respiratory system can regulate pH is by the retention or elimination of carbonic acid. Okay? Carbonic acid. Between the blood buffer system and the metabolic system, the ability to correct pH using the carbonic acid pathway is in between na nila duha. Meaning, it's not that fast like the blood buffer system where suddenly ditso umbay, but it is not as slow as the metabolic system where the kidney still has to produce all that bicarbonate. Okay? So what happens is, the respiratory system, any sudden deviation in your respiratory system, you will undergo retention of carbonic acid. Okay? So example, mag-alkalotic ka. If you become alkalotic, what happens? So, unsa may feeling ninyo, unsa may ginhawa sa animal na alkalotic? Huh? So, the body needs to retain that carbonic acid. So, the animal's breathing would be very slow. Okay? In order to retain the carbonic acid. Okay? Let's apply this in medical terms, in medical ways. Also, if your body, if you become alkalotic during stress, you breathe through the paper bag. Why do you breathe through a paper bag? So that if you breathe through a paper bag, when you inhale after, you actually inhale some of your carbon dioxide that was released once carbonic acid is retained, blood pH will become corrected from alkalotic to back to normal. What about if you become acidic? If your environment becomes acidic, very common, karon with exam. Oh, very common in Sinulog. Kapila ko na first aid sa Sinulog. Mahita mo, the combination of walay tulog, ikadlaon pang magatamis ang ninyo, walay kaon, kuan, walay neutralized HCl, kaya tinuhan ko sa una, hindi ka dapat magkaon, basta, kuan, matin yung isa. Kaya ang storya ang anak, hindi ko sila ganahan na i-share ang kalawat mo, hindi sila ganahan na i-share ang magkaon ng food rice. So dapat after, dapat magkaon ka, 15 to 30 minutes later na, wala absorb na nito ang panicking rice. So it's tinuhuan mo na sa ulo. Magkaroon, gina-discourage na sa church. Okay? So, sa karon, dapat magkaon dyan mo because the combination of hyperacidity together with stress. Like kung stress ka, you produce lactic acid, right? So may tabo. Lactic acid, isa pa? Lactic acid and so may lain you think that contributes to acidic environment. Walay tulog, right? Cortisol high, cortisol level. O nagdaghan makuyapan. Diba? Maganda mo na makuyapan during parades. Kasi may manotice silang mga fingers. Mga anak na sila. Because their sodium potassium pump is not working due to that. Hindi mo working ang sodium potassium pump. Mura sila kumiwin, ilang mga muscles mag-abnormally contract. Okay? For the case of kana, usually it has something to do with the potassium levels. Usapa potassium levels. That is why usually mag-hyperventilate sila. Wala may tamo contributing to their acidotic state. Wala, ang wato na, you make them lie down, you tell them to breathe slowly. Okay? Slowly. Kaya para ma-retain ang bicarbonate. Okay? Pero kung alkalotic sila, you allow them to breathe through a paper bag. Okay? So, wala sa that for now. Okay? Any questions on the ability to kuan? Kung saan ito i-retain in order to retain proper pH? Carbonic acid. Okay, very good. Manap ni siya. After a day. Thank you. Then, so the heart.